In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add blanks in videos in Canva. A blank is simply an empty moment in your video, no visuals, so you can create a quick pause, a clean transition, or a dramatic beat before the next scene. It's a simple move that makes your edits feel intentional and polished. Start by opening your project. Along the bottom of the editor, you'll see your page thumbnails. These represent the different pages or scenes in your design. Look for the page that contains your video. Hover over that page and click it to bring it into focus. This takes you into the video editor view, where you can work directly with your timeline and see how your content flows from one moment to the next. Now look just below the editor for the plus sign. This is your quick way to add a new element to the timeline. Click the plus sign and you'll see the option labeled blank. Choose that, and Canva will insert a blank segment for you. Think of it as a placeholder that creates a pause. It's especially useful between two scenes, before a title card, or right at the end to give your video a clean finish. With the blank added, you can adjust its timing. Select the blank on the timeline and lengthen or shorten it to match the rhythm you want. A shorter blank makes a quick breath between cuts, while a slightly longer one can build anticipation. Keep it purposeful and aligned with the pace of your video. You can also reposition the blank anywhere in your overall video timing. Just click and drag it along the timeline and drop it exactly where you want the pause to happen, before your video starts, between two clips, or near the end. If you're placing it between scenes, make sure it sits snugly so the transition feels smooth. As you work, preview your edit to confirm the timing feels natural. Watch how the blank affects the flow, and fine-tune the duration until the pause supports your message. If you're using background audio, remember that a visual blank doesn't automatically mute sound, so consider how the pause pairs with your soundtrack. That's all there is to it. Open your project, select the page with your video, click the plus sign, choose blank, then adjust the duration and position to suit your story. With a few thoughtful pauses, your video will feel clearer, more intentional, and easier to watch.